mean, the first one too. Yeah, well, I've got each one the same. I recognise them from that video.
Those of you who aren't, down at the far left, our flight line, a number of Spitfires are burning and turning.
It's quite good, isn't it? I want to get all done to you just looking at that little button.
Now look out to the left, ladies and gentlemen, our visitors from Duxford, bringing us this very interesting Junkers AU-52, the tri-motor. If you look at it closely, it's got a sort of corrugated construction. As I mentioned earlier, part of the design spec was that it could be maintained by any qualified tractor mechanic. There's a lot of them about as well. Tucked in, next to it, only 108. The JU-52, tractor unused by the crew. Across the world really as an airliner.
Which side of that against the tiger mark?
And operated as a bomber as well.
Sort of tiger mark.
If you look at the tri-motor, so obviously the design of their cars is we need 3 engines. We'll put one on each wing and then we'll... The squadron. Once again, inline slower frontal air.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the point at which I am supposed to say, welcome to the Darwin Line. But looking out of this window, unless I'm hallucinating, that appears to be a slightly inaccurate description because I can definitely see a 10th aircraft taking off behind them. The Swordfish. Well, we'll see what he's going to do. The Swordfish there, dwarfing those Tigers, hanging on in at the back. And I think I can guess what's happened, because the Swordfish is being flown this weekend by Commander Phil Shaw of the Royal Navy Historic Flight, who also flies a Tiger Boss with the Diamond 9. This being the last season, I imagine he's not prepared to take no for an answer, and he's going to join the team today, come hell or high water, and whether they want him or not. A diamond 9 of Tiger Moth, plus 40 in a...
Slow roll, look at that, beautifully controlled, gently around the rolling axis of the aeroplane. This is 26 feet and 9 inches, first flew in 1917.
Lovely.
Fighter that you see flying beside the SE-5A there is powered by a 275 horsepower Rolls-Royce Falcon engine and entered service with the Royal Flying Corps on the Western Front in 1917. Here's the first display flight of the fighter collection. Bristol fighter, monumental occasion. Whoever has been involved in the restoration of that aeroplane, well done. Here it is, after all that time, in the sky. To really get into its own. The SE-5A, of course, was the mount of many of the aces of the time.
Loop there, right?
Major McCudden and, of course, Captain Albert Hall, VC. Just a quick note here, chaps. Can Thomas Labruyere contact the guardroom as soon as possible? The guardroom is at the main gate of the aerodrome. If you don't know where it is, please ask any of our play with. Another of your visitors to Wanaka, wasn't it? Look at the flap area on the Avenger as she comes in from your left. You can imagine these aircraft doing circuits around landing on aircraft carriers. You're right, ladies and gentlemen. There's a new charity operating Sally B, the B-17 Charitable Trust, with assistance from the Imperial War Museum here at Duxford. They obviously need your help as well. After you've seen the aeroplane fly, call in at their sales stand, have a chat, and see how you can help. And here comes our pink lady. Yes. This damn great aeroplane. That's one of the reasons they were known as the Juggernaut, because they were just so big. And then they worked out that when you pointed one downhill, following the enemy, it really moved. And isn't that a lovely sight? As Joe said, it's wonderful to see Sally B back in the sky again, and we're really grateful to our friends from the Sally's collection for bringing the picture.
Pink lady.
Tip of the afternoon. First flight taking place in July of 42, and it fulfilled all the design requirements with a lot of margin to spare, and also, very important at the time, it cost a lot less than they expected it to. Production models, sure you have plenty of film. If you have a video camera, make sure that you've got your batteries well charged as well, because they're going to make one pass, all of them together, A26 coming through in a dirty configuration, gear down, nice and slow. And there they go. Mustang.
Just looking for the one on the right. What's that one? French. There's that Dutch Norwegian one, that one. Oh, there's the street.
They're all going to be together when they come around for the second time. The back section is going to break off. You'll be pleased to know we've got 4 Hurricanes.
I'll kick down.
Just let you watch as it happens. Here they come.
Trying to car.
What do you think about that? Does that deserve a round of applause or what? Although that's the last mast, although that you'll see the sections. Hey! Lovely, lovely stuff. I think Kinsey leads them in the Tiger Cat. They'll come in to either run and brake or just they feel like staying airborne, just continuing to fly. P-47, Hellcat, Wildcat. Today's outing in the Wildcat. The other boys have decided we're going to hang this together for a little bit longer. So,